Welcome to the Matheson Method. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to start a YouTube channel with zero investment. I'm personally still battling a computer that crashes multiple times per video, giving me the blue screen of death. But as long as I save frequently, it's not going to stop me making content for you guys, and nor should it stop you. It's actually crazy how many useful tools there are to make a YouTube channel for free. And if you use these tools I'm going to show you in this video, you can get a really high production level with zero to very little investment. The best thing to do is not compare yourself to other YouTubers. Most, if not all of them, have collected one piece at a time as they start to grow their channel. So once you start growing your channel, you can invest in better equipment, or you can stay on the free side after you see all the useful tools in this video. For your convenience, I've included all the timestamps down in the description below. And later, I'll be showing you how to make money as a small YouTuber without being monetized. Any screen recordings you see will be done with OBS Streamlabs. Sometimes you need to show your computer screen, whether it's for tutorials, streaming, or whatever you need it for, and OBS Streamlabs is by far the best free software for this reason. One of the things that stopped me from starting a YouTube channel for quite a while was thinking I needed a high quality camera. You do not need an expensive camera to start. Phones nowadays come with such good cameras, built right in, and you're good to go. Right now you're watching this video, and it was filmed on a Samsung Galaxy S9. And as long as you have good lighting, even a phone or a cheap camera's footage can look amazing. Let me know down below if you guys are phone warriors too, or what kind of camera you're using. It'll be really interesting to see how many of you are actually using a phone to record your videos. Now let's talk about lighting. Natural lighting from a window is a great place to start and is completely free. If you can't record near a window or while the sun's out, you can use lamps around your room, but I would highly recommend switching the bulbs to a daylight bulb. This has a color spectrum of 5000K or higher. Also, your computer screen on a white page with the screen brightness turned up works really good in a pinch, but there's a lot of great cheap options out there for lighting, and I would buy this first. Right now in my life, I'm always on the move, so I just try and use what's around me. But if you can get a light or two, I highly recommend doing it. If you haven't started your channel yet, you're going to need to make your channel artwork or maybe even your profile picture. There's two free programs that I use to make amazing graphics, and this is Photopea and Canva. Both of these programs run in your internet browser and there's no download necessary. I personally would start with Canva because it's a little easier to get going and it can almost do everything you need. But if you need a few more options, Photopea is like Photoshop but online. The awesome thing about Photopea is you can open up Photoshop files. So you can go to YouTube and download thumbnail or banner templates and open them up in Photopea. And of course, both these programs can make perfect eye-catching thumbnails. Now let's talk about putting your videos together. There's a good selection of free editing software out there like Shotcut, HitFilm Express, or DaVinci Resolve, just to name a few. I personally use DaVinci Resolve, and it has so many options in the free version, and it can export in 4K. But if DaVinci is a little too overwhelming for you at the start, Shotcut or any of the other free editing softwares, they'll get the job done just as well. No one's going to want to watch your videos if you have bad audio. Lucky for you, cell phones have fantastic microphones built right in to get you started. If you do have a little money to invest, I would get a lavalier mic. It helps with background noise, or if you're really far away from your phone or camera. Right now I'm using my cell phone, and I'll show you some unedited audio from my phone right now. This is me using the internal microphone on my Samsung S9. Not bad, right? Now this brings us to a couple of programs that can really help your audio out. First up is Odyssey, and this can make low quality audio sound so much better. And if you have background noise, it can help remove that as well. Next up is Levelator, which makes audio a breeze, so you don't have to change all of your audio levels manually, saving you a ton of time and headaches. I highly recommend Levelator. It really is a one-stop audio boost that almost works for all projects. At some point, you're probably going to want to add music or sound effects to your videos. Lucky for you, there is a lot of places to get copyright-free audio. First off, YouTube has a great selection of music and sound effects for free in the YouTube Studio library. Next, you can search either royalty-free music or copyright-free music to find channels on YouTube dedicated to giving you free music for your videos. Some channels that do this are No Copyright Sounds, Breaking Copyright, audio library for content creators, just to name a few. And if you do want to end up expanding your audio library, there's sites like Epidemic Sound or Soundstripe, which have subscription-based services. With everything I've listed in this video, it's really easy to start for free right now, and there's no reason not to start. If you do end up having a little bit of money to spend, I would spend it on a microphone or lighting, which are both pretty affordable. But getting back to the topic of making money as a small YouTuber, you cannot rely on AdSense. You barely make any money unless you're getting tons of views, and never mind the fact that you have to get monetized first now. The best way to make money right away is affiliate marketing. That's where you put links to items that you use and believe in so other people can buy them as well. You end up getting a percentage if people buy through your links. It's that easy. I'm an affiliate for TubeBuddy and Amazon at the moment, but there's many other ones that you can find out there for yourself. Check out my description down below for some examples of these links. And another really cool thing about the Amazon affiliate links is they can buy absolutely anything after clicking them. It doesn't have to be the item that you showcased in the link. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my YouTube growth videos, or you can go watch another one right now.